To use all the services offered on the e-filing portal, the user needs to log in to the portal. This video helps in understanding the different ways a taxpayer can log into the e-filing portal. There are multiple ways to log in to the e-filing portal for the taxpayer. You should enter username, that is PAN or Aadhaar, and password, and then choose any of the available methods to log in. You need to be a registered user to log in to the e-filing portal. The specific prerequisites depend on the method you choose to log in. To begin, go to the e-filing home page and click Login. Enter PAN or Aadhaar in User ID field and click Continue. Enter password and click Continue. Let us understand how to log in using OTP on the mobile number and email ID registered with the e-filing portal. Ensure you have access to the mobile number and email ID. Choose how you would like to receive the OTP on your mobile phone and click Continue. Enter the 6-digit OTP received on your registered mobile number or email ID and click Login. Your dashboard is displayed after successful login. Let us understand how to log in using OTP on mobile number linked with Aadhaar. If you are an individual taxpayer, you may enter the Aadhaar as username as well. Choose Aadhaar OTP option and click Continue. If you already have an Aadhaar OTP, click I already have an OTP on mobile number registered with Aadhaar. Else, click Generate OTP. If you have to generate an OTP, you will have to agree to validate your Aadhaar details. Select the option and click Generate Aadhaar OTP. Enter the 6-digit OTP received on your mobile phone registered with Aadhaar and click Login. Your dashboard is displayed after successful login. Let us understand how to log in using net banking. Ensure that you have a valid bank account with net banking enabled. Choose the net banking option under Other ways to access your account. You will be redirected to the e-filing login page through the net banking page that displays the list of banks providing the single sign-in facility. Choose the bank and click on Continue. Read and understand the disclaimer before clicking Continue. You will now be redirected to the bank's net banking login page. Post login to net banking. Select e-filing link on your bank website portal. You will be redirected to the e-filing dashboard. Your dashboard is displayed after successful login. Let us understand how to log in using static password. You should have a valid and active static password. After selecting, try another method in the login page. Select static password. Enter your static password and click Login. Your dashboard is displayed after successful login. Let us understand how to log in using QR code on the ITD mobile app. You can use the ITD app on your mobile phone to log into the e-filing portal. At the end of the login process, you shall be logged into the portal on your desktop. Go to the e-filing portal homepage through your computer and click Login. Choose Mobile app under Other ways to access your account. The QR code displayed on your computer screens should be scanned in your mobile phone through the ITD app. Your dashboard is displayed in your desktop after successful login. Let us understand how to log in using push notifications on ITD mobile app. If you want to log in through push notification, click the same under Other ways to log in. Enter your PAN in the user ID field and proceed. On successful validation, the system sends a notification on the ITD mobile app and redirects to notification on mobile page. Click on the same number in the notification received on mobile app as displayed on desktop screen. Your dashboard is displayed after successful login. Let us understand how to log in using time-based OTP on ITD mobile app. If you want to log in through TOTP option, click the same under Other ways to log in. Upon pressing Continue, you will be redirected to the login using time-based one-time password page. Open the ITD mobile app and click on Code Generator. A code with 30 seconds validity is displayed. Enter the code here and click Continue. Your dashboard is displayed after successful login. You may use any of the methods described in the video to log into your e-filing account and avail the various services. Connect with us for more information.